This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring basics are solid. Update your GPU drivers with the vendor tool and install the WHQL release. This fixes many crashes. Next, make sure Windows is fully updated and set your power plan to high performance so the system won't throttle. Once done, run a quick memory test and check disk smart or run chkdsk. Faulty RAM or drive errors often cause sudden game crashes. Now move on to configuration and temperature checks. Now you dig into stability. Monitor CPU and GPU temperatures under load. If either exceeds safe thresholds, improve cooling or reduce clocks. Lower in-game settings and disable overlays, recording apps, or unnecessary background processes because software conflicts or heavy CPU usage trigger crashes. Check your PSU capacity versus your components and update your motherboard BIOS if stability patches exist. Once you confirm cooling, power, and firmware are solid, test with a stress run to reproduce the crash and collect error codes. Finish by verifying or reinstalling the game files and running the game as administrator. Corrupted installs cause crashes. If problems persist, perform a clean driver removal with the and reinstall a stable driver version or roll back recent updates. Run a final stress test and play session. If crashes continue, isolate hardware by swapping or testing GPU and RAM modules one at a time. Troubleshooting tip: keep notes of when crashes happen and any error messages. They pinpoint the root cause faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.